Okay, let's have some fun and create a Pacemaker t-shirt. Here's the graphic and here's the size of it on the t-shirt. Now one other thing, this is going to be animated. So any colors you want, basically it'll just load them in there and we're going to go and create it. So how do we do that? First thing was create it in whatever software you want. I've done mine in Sketchbook just to get the initial feeling of it. And after that was done in Sketchbook just to take a little bit more or add a bit more effect to it and trim it down. I went into Affinity, Vector, to do some of the graphics, and because it works great working both directions in terms of the three layout, Vector and Pixel. But nonetheless, that was the next stage, and then the stage after that was do some animation. So just to play that animation through. So I can just slide through here, just a 10-second piece, just to give it effect. And the next thing is we need to sort of share it, and what I'm going to do is not share it to a video, or actually you can do that just to test it as well, but you can actually go through and share it as a image sequence. So I'm just going to take it through as a ping file and a sequence, and of course that's the next stage. Okay, so we've got our graphic which has been created, and what I've got here from the export is my Pacemaker robot files, and here they are here. And if we go and have a look and see how many there are, we've got 249 at 25 frames per second, remember. Now the other thing I've got is I've got a MP3. Now what other format you've got, it could be an AIF or a WAV file, etc., but a nice small file is just an MP3, and I just converted mine through iTunes or actually GarageBand. But whatever software you're using, that's what we want. MP3 for the sound, and ideally it's the sound to fit the length as well, because it will be cropped off. So let's go and do some augmented reality with Eyejack. So here's Eyejack, and I've just launched that, and I've got a range of files here. I'm going to go with artwork, and I'm going to click new artwork. Now what we've done is, if I just go through and come back here, is a placement file. So I'm just going to drag this one on. It needs to be the same size as the animation. So you've done your placement file and you've done the animation exactly the same size, format, pixel, height and width. Great, let's go to the animation now. So I just go to next, and within that I just want to put all of my ping files because I want transparent. So if I come down here, and I'm just going to make sure I select them all. Just click on one there, Command A because I'm on a Mac, and if I bring this back in, I'm just going to drag this, and they need to be in that sequence file so it's going to work, and I'll let them go, and here they are. This is the animation. Now I want to add that sound, the heartbeat sound, so let's go through and have a look, and you'll see it'll highlight if you can read it, and it's a nice and small file as well. I'm going to add in my heartbeat, and I'm going to open. Now my audio is 9 seconds longer than I needed, but I know it's going to work fine. It's just a heartbeat, but when you're doing a sound, actually work it out to the same output as you want with the visual side of things, especially if it's going to be important to do that, so it can fade off or whatever. But I'm going to go create now. So here is the stage of it creating. So it takes a little while to put everything together, especially if you're using a HD high definition file format to do it. So we'll let it do its thing. Great, and now it's done its job. So all you need to do is scan the QR code. Now this will load the app on your phone or your device, Android or iPhone, and it will play the animation when this is scanned, and you just simply scan over or hold your phone over your t-shirt or wherever the graphic is used. So, great. So let's put that into action. Okay, so we've got our graphic and everything looking great, but we just need to make sure we name it. I'm just going to go done, and it takes me back into my artwork where I can put in my details. Now I've just named this before, and if it's not saved, you just make sure you save it, and it's on the published state. So here's draft state, published state, 0 views at the moment, and this takes you back to the preview should you want to get back there. Now what we can do is edit it from the stage. You can delete it. Now, this is when it's going to a WebAR format, but for now we're just going to be running it from the app. And if you want to share it, you can actually just share this link from here, and it's just a link that you can send somebody. But anyway, the main one we really want is just this preview, and actually you can use this just with the image and the QR code, and that will activate it by scanning that, and good to go with the example I'll just show you next from the iPhone.